the book of Luke 21 and verse 11. And great earthquakes shall be in divers places, and famines and pestilence and fifth sights and great sand shall be heavy. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Bashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Kakadash, Barakatham, to the elders and apostles, Wa'ak and Akbaf, and I say Shalom. And Salaki. And this is a sit down lesson of the earthquakes in diverse places as of February the 3rd, 2026, on this Tuesday night. And you had and this is from Reuters as of February 3rd, 2026 at 9:46 p.m. 9:46 Central Standard Time, updated 13 hours ago. And it reads, it says, earthquake of a magnitude 6.0 strikes Myanmar, the GFC says. February 3rd, 2023 by Reuters. A magnitude of a 6.0 earthquake struck Myanmar on Tuesday. The German Research Center for Geoscience, GFC, says. Yep, so that was a 6.0. The quake was a depth at 10 kilometers and 6.21 miles, GFC said. Yep, so you had a 6.0 earthquake over there in Myanmar. Let's check out the latest earthquakes. And this is from earthquake.usgs.gov. And you had a total of 35 earthquakes was recorded from yesterday and on into February the 3rd. 5.1 earthquake recorded in Papua New Guinea. 3.1 earthquake in north of Valdez, Alaska. 2.6 earthquake recorded in Cooper Landing, Alaska. 2.1 earthquake recorded in Toynik, Alaska. 2.8 earthquake in Funny River, Alaska. 5.3 earthquake recorded south of the Fuji Islands. 5.1 earthquake recorded in Tosul, Indonesia, if I pronounced that right. 4.9 earthquake in Antarctica. 4.8 earthquake recorded in the Valley Ski of Russia. 4.4 in the Kermadec Islands. 4.3 earthquake recorded south of Weatherly of New Zealand. 4.5 earthquake recorded in Kapalako, Papua New Guinea. 2.8 earthquake recorded west of Parkfield, California. 4.2 earthquake in Savario, Krusky of Russia. 2.5 earthquake recorded in San California. And that was I would say day before yesterday, like 2 days ago. That was the same area got hit with those 10 plus aftershock earthquakes of that large 4.2 earthquake over there in the East Bay area. As I had to side onto that, 4.6 earthquake recorded 87 kilometers east of northeast of Papua New Guinea. 5.2 earthquake recorded 101 kilometers northeast of Hafalio, Tonga. 5.2 earthquake recorded 49 kilometers of Finchafenia, Papua New Guinea. 2.6 earthquake recorded 28 kilometers north of White Mountain, California. 4.5 earthquake recorded 30 kilometers east of Hasholaki, Japan, if I pronounced that right. 2.8 earthquake recorded in Fox River, Alaska. 2.7 earthquake recorded Cruz Bay, U.S. Virgin Islands. 2.6 earthquake recorded east of Port Ellsworth, Alaska. 2.8 earthquake 4 kilometers east of southeast of San Rum of California, over there in the East Bay area. 4.5 earthquake recorded 69 kilometers southwest of Colima, Chile. 5.2 earthquake recorded 88 kilometers in Yanganiwan of Burma, Myanmar. And I believe that was an aftershock, 5.2 after that 6.0 earthquake hit over there in the area. 5.1 earthquake recorded western India and Arctic Ridge. 5.9 earthquake 95 kilometers west of Burma of Myanmar. 2.7 earthquake recorded 48 kilometers west of northwest of Anchor Point, Alaska. 2.9 earthquake recorded 22 kilometers south of Cooper Land, Alaska. Uh, 2.6 earthquake recorded 42 kilometers west of Anchor Point, Alaska. 4.7 earthquake recorded 277 kilometers south of Sevaryokos of Russia. 5.0 earthquake recorded 22 kilometers Kalibak of Japan. 2.7 earthquake recorded 4 kilometers southeast of San Juan, California. 2.6 earthquake recorded 19 kilometers north of Indio, California. So those was the latest earthquakes as of February 3rd, 2026, this Tuesday night. And this is the Gospel of Luke 21, verse 11. It says, "Then great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall be fed." Right, so we're going to be seeing increasing earthquakes in diverse places. So with that, hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying of the earthquakes in diverse places as of February the 3rd, 2026 on this Tuesday night. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Bashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, or Karkadash, and the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and his only begotten Son, Bahashem, in the name of Hamashiach Kabashai. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew. Not sure that's on the tongue. When I say Barak to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim Akwaf. Until next time, I will say Shalom.